What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So what I'm doing today is simply mounting these tires on these wheels right over here. These wheels are from my E36. They are style 23 M3 wheels. I bought them really cheap, actually, all four of them for 160 bucks. Well, this is a deal which I couldn't pass. They're not in perfect condition, but for the price they're okay. So I was planning to put the Apex wheels on my E36. This actually is my E46 M3, but since I found this good deal, I couldn't pass it. I decided maybe it's just better to put the cheaper wheels. Anyway, so the setup is staggered. The fronts are 17 by 7.5 and the rear ones are 70 by 8.5. So I'm running 245s by 40 on the rear and 225s on the front. So today I'm gonna mount the front tires, and how I'm going to do this is simply with my new equipment which I bought. Well, as you can see, this is my tire mounting machine from Twin Busch. It's have all these helper arms and all this crap, so it will make my job a little bit easier, but still, since I'm new to it and I don't know what I'm doing, it's really difficult. And removing the old tires is not so difficult. I already removed about 8 tires, these 4 on the top plus these 4, so I already got the idea of it. But putting back a new tire, this is a different story. I'm still kind of scared of doing it since you can mess up your tire, and I don't want to do this. I already found my mistakes, I think so hopefully today everything is gonna run a lot smoother. It took me forever to put one of the tires here. The first one went really smooth, but the second one I played around 10-15 minutes to put it on. And on top of everything, I actually messed up and put the 245 tire on the 17 on the front wheels, and took me forever. Then I realized, so I had to remove this tire and put it on the rear wheel. Anyway, here it's my balancing machine. It's from Twin Busch also, and as you can see, it has a monitor with a lot of features which I don't use, but it does have it. And it's not so difficult actually to use. Hopefully I did everything right. We'll find out pretty soon once we test the car with the wheels. But let's first mount these tires. First, let's take this wheel and we're gonna put it here and we're gonna clamp it. We're just gonna press this pedal and there we go. Now we're gonna get some paste from here, and we're gonna be very generous with the paste. We're gonna put some paste on the both sides. I like to put a lot of paste simply because I don't know what I'm doing, and it's better to be very generous with the paste. Alright, next we're gonna get some more paste and we're gonna put it on the tire. Both sides. Let me get a little bit more paste since I'm crazy. Doing this with one hand, it's a little bit more difficult for me since I'm not used to it. Alright, I think we are good. I'm gonna put a little bit more paste. Bam, 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 bam. There we go. Now we're just gonna press this pedal here. Perfect. And I'm gonna put some paste here also. Not here, but over here. Anyway, I'm just putting paste everywhere. Right. And I'm gonna get the tire. Bam. And let me switch to the GoPro, since doing this with one hand, it's kind of difficult. Let's keep going. Now we just gonna press this button. Bam. And put the tire like this. And over here, just gonna press the pedal. There you go. The first bit, it's easy. The second one, it's a little bit more demanding. We need is this crap here, and this help our arm, and we gotta line this dot with the valve. It's not necessary, but maybe it's a good practice. It doesn't have to be perfect, but as close as you can. I'm gonna put this crap right, something like this. Okay, I think we're good to go, maybe, perhaps. Let's try. Not really. There we go. I think we made it. Perfect. It was a lot easier than the first time. Now, kind of moved from here, but it doesn't matter. That's not a big deal. Okay. Now we're gonna inflate the tire, but first, let me see. Let me remove this crap. And now, hopefully, let me unclamp it, maybe. Yes, no? I don't know. There we go. Off. Maybe it was a good idea to unclap it first. I don't know. I'm not sure about this. Anyway, we're good. Oof. All the tires are mounted, and now I just need to do the balance. So let me show you how simple it is. So now I just need to put the wheel here, bam, like this, something like this, and then the wheel is on. And now as you can see, I'm on this mode, but once I do a quick measurement, I'll show you like this. There we go. It chose the right mode for me. And now I just need to change the wheel to 18 and this to 16. There we go. And now I just need to spin the wheel and see what is going on. Okay, so this is the correction weight I need, and if I press this button, I have a laser which is going to point me where exactly to put the weight. As you can see, right over here is the first one, and the second one, I think it was here somewhere. Oh, here you go. Okay, so this is the good thing about this machine is that right now if I put the weight here, it's going to be visible. So I have an option right over here. If I press this button, I need to remove the laser because it's not working when the laser is on. So let me first find where exactly. Okay, keep going. There we go. Okay, so since if I put the weight here to be visible, I need to press this button here, and as you can see, I can put how many spokes I have. So here you go, 5 spokes. And once I press it again, it's gonna tell me to go 12 o'clock to the closest spoke, like this. Should be good. And now you see like this, and now just need to press S, and there you go, it showed me where I need to put the weights. Let me put the laser again because I like to use the laser. Go. It split the weight. Now I just need to put a quarter of an ounce here, right over here, like this. Perfect. Okay, and now I need to find the other. There you go. Here is the other one. I need to put the other quarter of an ounce here. Perfect. And now I need to find and here I need to put 1.5 ounce weight. So all the weights are on, so let's spin it and see. it's all good. Finally, it's time to put the new wheels on. As you can see, this is my current setup. The wheels are 16/7 and the offset is 46 if I'm not mistaken. Yes, the offset is 46. And the new wheels are with offsets of 41, which means this is a 5mm difference, and the wheel will come in this direction, 5mm, which is a good thing. It will look a little bit better, but still this gap I need to lower the car. And for the rear, actually the gap is not that bad. This is a stock height, and I think this E36 is with a sport package, which means these are not the factory springs. I mean, there's some factory springs, but they're like a little bit shorter than the regular ones. Anyway, so let me put the wheels on and see how she is looking. As you can see, it looks a lot better than before, and now I just need to do a quick test drive to make sure that the wheels are balanced correctly. Other than that, that's it pretty much. So far, no vibrations at all. I did only 40 and 50 miles, so I have to hit the highway and see if there's gonna be any changes. No vibration at all, so I think we are good. The mission was a great success. That's it. Here is how the car is looking with the new wheels. It looks pretty decent, as you can see, guys. I'm pretty happy with the end result. It completely transformed the car. It looked like something different, like it's not the same car. I don't know, just crazy how one wheel can change the whole look of the car.